Assalamualaikum. Now in this slide, we will discuss about the literature review of charged particle production mechanism. We already discussed how charged particle produce and we discussed their main features in our previous video. If you forgot to watch, you have to watch that video first. Then you have to move on towards this video. Okay. In this video, we will discuss the literature review of the charged particle production mechanism. Okay. What's basically the mechanism is. So the overview is this: the key studies exploring charged particle production in proton-proton collision. So let's suppose assume we are colliding proton-proton, we are collision proton-proton, and we have to explore the charged particle production. How charged particle produce when we collide PP collision. Okay, PP proton-proton collision. So what is our production mechanism is first of all is basically the hard scattering. What is hard scattering? Basically involves high momentum transfer between quarks and gluons. If there is high momentum transfer between quarks and gluons, then you can say it's hard scattering of your charged particle production. Okay, and it leads to the formation of jets and energetic particles. By hard scattering, we can easily lead towards the formation of jet. Okay, we can form jets by hard scattering, and energetic particles we lead towards the energetic particles. Whenever there is hard scattering, your energetic particles produced. Okay, and whenever there is soft scattering, so you can say your low energy particles produce. Okay, and your soft scattering occurs at low momentum transfer, while you know that your hard scattering involves high momentum transfer between quarks and gluons, whereas in soft, low momentum transfer between them. And in soft scattering, produces a large number of low energy particles, means low energy particles produced after collision of either PP or lead, anything. It contributes towards the multiplicity, the total number of charged particles produced. It increases the soft scattering increases the multiplicity because total number of particle generates more because at low energy, because these are low energy levels and the low momentum transfer. Relevant to our research is basically we have studied and analyzed the correction between collision energy and particle production. We have to discuss, study, and analyze the correlation between collision energies. Okay, we can apply different energies of that particle, like we can apply 7 tera electron volt, we can apply, you can say 5 tera electron volt, 5.02 and 0.9 tera electron volt, and the maximum you can provide energy is the 13 tera electron volt. Okay, these are the collision energies. We have to study and analyze the correlation between the collision energies and the particle productions, how particle produces. And we have to discuss their multiplicity, pseudo rapidity, and transverse momentum, as we discussed in our previous lecture. And we have to focus on understanding the role of jets, how jets formed. You know that jets lead to the formation of basically hard scattering leads to the formation of jets. So we have to focus on to the understanding of role of jets in the charged particle production. And when there is hard scattering. So this is a short literature review of our charged particle production mechanism. Okay, so that's all for today. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. We will upload more interesting videos for this course. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.